Hi guys, I'm a computer tech, and my Windows 7 Home Edition this night made an update and then it restarted. So this morning I entered my password, and the only thing that happens is that you can see the mouse right here. See, you can see it still moves, but I can't access anything. So my computer right here, it seems to be just like in a small loop. Anyways, so what the thing that I can do is if you have nothing, what you can do is press these three keys. Sorry, I didn't have my tripod. Hopefully, but I'll explain what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to press simultaneously the Control, the Alt, and the Delete key right here. So okay, so here goes. So there's no really order, so you just press these two right here, and then the Delete. This starts the Task Manager. So right now this should pop up. So you have these options right here, and then right here is to power off, or hold on. Okay, see here, there's shutdown options, sleep, shutdown, and restart. And you press this guy, it shuts down. And if you press the start right here, the Start Manager, and there's no tasks running. You can see I gotta go slowly back right here, and the only thing that you can do is end task, switch to a new task. But then again, these tasks that has nothing to do with to restart your computer. So I'll show you step by step things to do to get your computer re-going again. Okay, so sorry about this. I had to get myself a glass of water. Anyways, so what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to restart the computer right here. Press this guy here, restart. Okay, now see the computer is restarting. And if you look closely, when you're sorry, the system is shutting down, you're going to see this bottom corner here when it restarts, when it's rebooting. I'm going to show you right now. It goes really quickly. If you hold on, it's going to happen soon. See right here, Dell Enter Setup and F12 for boot options. What you want to do is access. See right here, it's I have done nothing. So see right now, it seems to be like normal. I'm just going to let it go again for you to get a good idea what's happening here, and to get it going yourself, to save yourself a bit of money. This is the reason of this video. So right here you can see it's starting now. I didn't press nothing like the Dell key or the F12. I didn't touch nothing because I just want to see what's happening now, because I'm a computer technician, and right now I'm doing the diagnostics of the machine, see what's happening with it right now. Okay, so we have sound. You heard that? Okay, so right now you see right here it's asking. See, this is I have Windows 7 Home Premium. So right now it's asking me my password. Took. Okay, so oops, made a mistake. Bloopers. That's okay. Okay, so now I got it going. So you see now it's saying welcome, and I'm just gonna go back a bit so you can see what's happening. See, I just want to see. I'm still in the diagnostics, so I want to see what's happening now. I'm noticing that there's something odd about it because it's taking a long time to boot. Oh, one thing that you can do is see right here. There's all kinds of USB setups. Make sure that you don't have any USB keys or hard drives or memory flash cards or HDMI or nothing hooked up in here. And in the back also, leave only like the internet cable, and of course monitor, mouse, keyboard, power of course, but no accessories whatsoever, nothing USB. But again, if your mouse and your keyboard is USB, leave them plugged in. But also like your printer, unhook it. Just leave the basics when you're doing this. So see right now it's booted, and again, see right now again, I still have the mouse, but nothing. So I'll make sure to continue this video. Stay tuned. Okay, so what you want to do is remember when the task manager was on, that green screen. I'll put a little link right here. So when the task manager opens up, in the bottom right here you have a little button, says I've waited too long, it's loading files. Anyways, you press restart, and when it's restarting, press the escape key right here. Make sure when the computer restarts, not in Windows, but when the computer starts in the DOS mode, when the screen is black and it's all white lettering, press the escape key right here, and you're going to start in the in this mode right here. So this is the startup repair right here. So your computer was unable to start. A startup repair is checking your system for problems. So right now it's doing the checkup itself right now. Windows is see, it's the startup repair. So I'm going to get this task going. This may take a few minutes. So I'll see right here. Asking me, do you want to restore your computer using System Restore? A startup repair can try to restore your computer to an earlier point in time when it worked correctly. This repair will not change personal data, but it might remove some programs that were installed recently. You cannot undo this restoration. So your computer was not working, it was not responding. So yes, we want to restore the system. So you press the restore key right here. Sorry, it's distorting a bit the image. Voila. So okay, so right now, see again, your computer wasn't able to start. So now it's attempting repairs. So I'm going to let this be for a little while, and the next step, I'll grab my camera and I'll continue this video. Okay, so the system check is that option is complete. So now see right here, it's starting. So I'm going to see what's going to happen. I'm assuming it's going to ask me my password soon, and we'll see. I'm leaving the camera on to show you how to explain to you how to fix your computer. Hopefully this works. This is why when you bring your computer to a repair shop, it takes a bit of time to fix a computer. It's the diagnostic that takes a long time, because I could have zapped this computer. Sorry, technical data talk. I waited for the beep. So, anyways, I could have always restored the computer, because I do have the CDs. It's called the CD keys. It has all the stock, like the brand new information of the computer when I purchased the computer back then, because this PC is about 4 or 5 years old. It's an Acer, hold on, right here. Yeah, right here. So it's an Aspire AX. Anyways, so this computer is about, I think, 5 years old, and back then when you did purchase it, came with the CDs. But if I go this way, I'm going to lose all my data. And unfortunately, I open a little bracket here. I have about 20 DUI videos that have not been uploaded to this channel yet. So it's these videos that I'm hanging on dearly. This is why I'm trying all these options to unlock the computer. Oh, well, sorry, not unlock, but to try to find what's the problem of this PC. So this is why I'm trying all these. I just entered my password right now as I'm speaking. So I'm trying all these different options to try to get this PC going back again. And if not, this is this is a good way to make sure that you have a backup data, a hard drive, or an external hard drive that can store all your favorite videos and your pictures, just in case something like that happens. See, I'm saying this and yeah, I didn't store my videos or even yet. Go set up Dropbox, an account that's on the internet. Just go to Dropbox and you set it all up, and it's a space, hard drive space that it's on the internet, so you can store all your pictures and videos. So see right now, okay, so I have yeah, the same problem. So this option did not fix that. So what I'm going to do right now again is the Control Alt and Delete. Okay, so the Control Alt Delete, and see right here, I'm going to restart the computer. So when it's going to be restarting the black screen, I'm going to press or escape right here. I have to end this part of this video. My battery might die, but I'm going to stay on just to show you, hopefully, that my battery doesn't die of my camera. So, okay, so I'm just taking the keyboard up here just to show you. With my thumb, I'm going to press the escape key right here. Okay, right now. See? Okay, I got it. So it's going to start. Geez, I missed it. Okay, so if you missed it, this computer right here, this is the power on button. So I let it on for a little while. It's going to shut down. This is the manual shutdown of the computer. See, right now it's off. So I'm going to reboot it again. So right now I'm going to press the escape key while it's on. So right now you flick the delete key a few times. It should come on. All right, so it did. So right here. So you have to system repair. That's just what I've done, and to start up normally. I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is, because I was talking, I wasn't paying attention. So okay, so now what I've done is I've selected the repair option. So now it's loading files. See, right now it's going to start in default mode. I'm going to have very limited options, but this is to like the technical data part of our jobs actually. So right here. So it's going to start soon. My battery's almost dead. So right now, see again, so it's your computer was unable to start. I did this a little while ago, but now I'm trying again. Never know, 2 times, sometimes it may work the second time, but there's no point in trying 3 or 4 or 5 times, just twice. If it didn't work the first time, try it again. If it didn't work, try something else. So this is, I'm going to let this thing go for a little while. Okay guys, now the next step is I'm in the right here, advanced boot options. How to get there. When your computer restarts, you hit F12 on your computer. So what we want to do is choose the advantage for Windows 7. Okay, so restart computer. So we tried that a few times, so that didn't work. So I'm going to start with the networking. Okay, so the second right here. So hold on, and to go there, you press the keys right here. So with the networking, so because maybe I want to go on the internet. So see, the other options are not for us yet, so I'm going to start with this right here. So then you press enter, then it's going to start. It's doing the backup for this option. So now it's going to loading all the it's loading on manually all the drivers that it needs to, but in this option you're going to be very limited. you'll see soon. So right now it's restarting. Hopefully that works. So with this option, what it should enable me to do is to access just the main functions of this computer to see what's happening and try to maybe fix it, or to get all my videos onto. It's probably what I'm going to do is get my videos. See right now have success. So right now, see this Windows has recovered from an unexpected shutdown. Windows can check. Okay, what's this? Safe mode. No, thank you. Okay, back to here. Do I check for solutions? Yeah, why not? Okay. So right now, see now he's checking for solutions because Windows detected that Windows had a problem when setting all up. So right now, as you can see, so when you're in this safe mode right now, what you can do is, hold on, let's say I take a SD card, I dump it in here. Will it show? Hold on, press start, and then computer. Voila. So, and if I remove it, right here, see right now she's going to disappear. And if I have a, geez, I don't have a USB key close, but you'd hook it up and you'd see it. As you can see, this guy is new right now. So this is my USB key. Just to show you, I'm going to click on it like this. See, and this is the things that I have on my USB key right now. So, and with having this option, you can just this could be your external hard drive or 1 tera, it doesn't matter. So you take your where your files are, or on your desktop here, and you dump all the save files that you want, and then what you do is you go here and you search for a program that's called, see my computer's an Acer, so I'm going to go Acer, see right here, and I have all the backup management. So once I'm done backing up all the files that I want, I'll come back right here and I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, so I have my right here my USB key, and I'm transferring the data from my computer to my USB key, and this is the windows that are open and the time that it shows that it's remaining. So I forgot to mention that when you're in this mode, it's very slow, and the reason also it's very slow because you're in a safe mode. But it works. So when you do this thing, so it takes a little time, but you're going to save all the pictures and the movies that you want to keep, and all the, well, all the data that you want to keep. So by doing this, you're saving all your data onto, just make sure that the saving data, like in this instance right now here, I know that I have a 16 gig key right here. I'm going to go get this is the pictures. Anyways, it's certain data that I'm going to save on my 16 gig, and then I'm going to get my Tera hard drive, and I'm going to transfer all the data that I want on my Tera hard drive, and then afterwards I'm going to show you what I do. So to transfer all your data, it's the same process. Just select your data, like in this instance the USB key, it's the same. You just press start computer, then you see USB, you open it up, then you select your what I do is I cut and paste the data that I want on my USB key. So by doing this is when I select on my hard drive, and then I'm assured that yes, I took it away and installed it in my USB key. And also make sure that to check the size of your USB key to make sure that when you transfer all the data that it fits if it doesn't fit, the loading time will be the same. Then it'll come to a point, it'll just say no, insufficient space. So you just cancel that operation, and even though if you select the cut and paste, it won't be lost. It'll go back in your main folder because you canceled it. So anyways, keep doing this for all your data that you want to save. This is lengthy, I know, but it works, and that way you'll have all your data that you want to save on external drives. And by doing this, when you reload your computer, that's what I'll show you next, once I've saved all this data. And then you can have your computer working back away the way it was, while actually brand new out of the box. So anyways, stay tuned. Okie dokie, so now you've taken all your data onto your, well, what I've done is I used, I know, lots of USB keys, but anyways, so I used all my USB keys as a backup data. So now what you do is you simply press right here at the start button, and right here in the search program and files box, you enter the brand of your computer. See, mine is an Acer. So what you do is right here, you enter Acer. Acer. Alright, so just as you enter the numbers, don't even have to press enter, doesn't matter. So right up here, what you need to do is the recovery management. So mine is an Acer, but most brands now, since about 2009 or 8, something like that, computers, they started making these recovery management systems. So you just press the recovery button here, and what you want to do is right here, the first option, create factory default disk, burn the factory systems. No, sorry, restore. Yeah, right here. You press the restore button right here. Sorry about that, and you completely restore system to factory defaults. Restore your PC to factory default status. All data on the C drive will be deleted. Yes, that's what I want. That's why I backed up all my data. So that by doing this, I'm certain that I will completely erase all the data that's on the hard drive right now. Has all these viruses that attacked my system. That was my system was so slow and not responding. So I want to restart from like out of the box. So by doing this, it's going to completely reset your computer to how it was when you took it out of the box, brand new. But just to remember, you'll have to upload and download all your little softwares to make all your systems to work easier. I'll make a little list down for the little softwares that I mean, so you understand it. So anyways, we'll click here, and right here, this process, it's kind of I'm reading through the camera lens. That's why it's taking me a bit longer. So because I want to make certain that I'm centered. So anyways, this process will reboot and restore your system. Do you really want to continue? Of course. I select yes, and then I click start. Right now the system will rewrite over data on the hard drive. This is my computer, so it's going to write it on that. Right, okay. So now it's restarting. So it's going to do all kinds of stuff. The next step, I'm going to turn my camera back on to show you what's the step. Just a little hint, when you just make sure that you have no USB, no SD card, nothing hooked up your computer, but just the essentials: power cable, video cable, keyboard and mouse cable, speaker cables. That's it. All the rest, completely disconnect. Okay, please? Oh, see, right now, it's at the next step. So I want to, this action it's just telling me what it's going to do. You can read it, of course, but I won't read all this. But just basically what it's telling me, it's, okay, you're now erasing all the disks. Make sure that you have See right here, please detach all external storage the system like USB, hard disk, flash disk. That's USB hard drives and key. Anyways, so the next step right here, by selecting next, what I'm just agreeing to is yes, delete everything. So right now again, it's the restore destinations. Tell me where it's going to go. Of course, it's my computer. It's your computer. So just press next again. So again, it's asking you to. It's going to erase all data. It's just making sure that it's telling you what it's going to do. That's why it's asking you all these confirmations. But that's okay. Just look at the information. Take your time. Read it. You'll see it's very easy. It's all explained in English or whatever the language of your system, that your operating system that you're using, and just to follow the procedures. And the next procedure, like I promised at the beginning of this video, I'll continue. Okay, so it opened me the restore progress. So see the source. Right now, what's happening? See the elapsed time and the time left, and this is the percentage bar right here. See, which it has now is just started, so there's nothing. So this is quite time consuming. Just to let you know, I haven't mentioned it before, but be prepared. All the besides, okay, so I'll leave you about an hour for removing all the data that you want on USB keys and USB drives. And okay, so and then take add total about another like 3 hours to set up the system. So what total time what I'm doing now, it's about like 3 hours. So that's why I'm stopping the video. And like seeing right now, so this video, it's the speed that it's going right now, it's only at 2%. So it'd be, anyways, you get the drift. Next step. Okay, so the next step, see right here, it says finish, restore, finish. Press OK to restart this computer. So right here on the bottom, see how much right here. Okay, so, oops, hold on. Okay, so right here, click on this little box. Click. So right now, the computer is going to restart. So I'm going to let it run for a second or so, because usually it starts pretty fast. So this is like still in the restoring process. So right now this is probably like right now it's like in the factory process setup, like it was built brand new. And now see right here, it's updating the registry settings, and it's going to tell you all kinds of messages right here on the screen, because it's telling you actually what it's doing. So this is like, imagine the computer is like brand new. It's all new pieces put together, like physically the computer had new motherboard, new hard drive, new everything. And then like the power on for the first time, and you're installing the new software. So this is actually how it's going to run. So right now, well, it's taking a bit more longer than I thought. So right now, it's the installing my devices. Devices is a motherboard, sound card, hard drive, video card. Anyways, so this is continue. So I'll continue the next step. Okay, so see right now, it's checking the video performance. It's preparing for the first boot. That's what I'm doing right now. And I forgot to mention, this, like I already started mentioning, this process takes about like 3 to 4 hours. But you don't have to be sitting in front of your computer for the 3 or 4 hours. Just let it go and just take a peek at it once in a while, because as up to now, like for the last like an hour or so, I haven't clicked anywhere. Since the last time that I clicked, see right now, so it's asking me these questions right here. So see right here, this is the, the distortion. See setup for Windows. I'm going to back up so you can see there's nothing else right here. So the keyboard layout, I'm going to leave it, the mouse, oh yeah, the mouse works. So right here, so I'm going to click right here next. And right here, it's going to ask me for the I'm still in the setup, and it's asking me to choose a username, so I'm going to just call it, why not, just Bob, like this, and I'm going to click next. So it's basically just simple questions that it's asking me right now, and right now I think I won't put a password. Just go next. I'll put a password later. See right here, so it's asking me yes, I agree. You gotta click the box here, and you gotta accept the terms, of course, because you're installing it. And since this is an OEM Windows version, so it's gonna be see right here, recommended settings right here. So now it's asking me the time. Right now it's telling me it's 2 o'clock, which is about right. Next. And it's going to be my home network. So right now it's connecting to your network. It says, wait, I'm sorry. It's looking for my Wi-Fi connection. Sorry, not my Wi-Fi, but my internet connection. So it's connecting now. Microsoft is connecting through the internet to make sure that it's the proper key numbers, to make sure that it's legitimate copy. So that's right now what it's doing, and it already connected. So see, right now it says welcome. So that means that it's a good Windows version, that it's a legal version that I have. So right now, see, it's telling me it's a little o'clock right now, so it's preparing my desktop. So anyways, the next step, I'll continue this video. See, right now it's asking me to register my product. I'm not really worried because this is for a more personalized service. It's up to you. You can just enter your name. It's just that if ever Windows contacts with you, we'll have a more provided personal service. So I'm going to just skip this step right here. So now it's asking me for the McAfee. It's up to you. You can have a 60-day trial recommended, so why not? I don't personally. I'm going to remove it and install another antivirus, but anyways, you have it for free for 60 days. You can have the choice to either activate it now or later. I'm going to go later, and then click next. See, right now it's giving me a blue screen, so it's personalizing the setup again. So it's again in like the first setup. So I'm still in like the registration. I'm still in the setup process. So just hold on a sec. I know this video is quite lengthy, but I want to help you if you ever want to reformat your computer because it's too slow or it's lagging or whatever. So because all these computer shops, they charge about like $100 for this service, and you can do it yourself. So this is the reason for this video. So that's why I'm showing every step. So see right now here the progress 2x13. So it's asking me to wait. So anyways, you can see right now it's choppy a bit. Like you can see the back. Oh, sorry to focus. Right here. See, the icons are not too aligned right now, and the see all the apps right here are like they're off centered, but that's okay. I'm going to readjust the screen and all that. I'm going to show you how. So I'm just going to wait for this little guy right here to end all the processes. So stay tuned. It gives me this little pop-up because I selected the activate later, the McAfee software, but that's okay. I'm just going to close it right here. So anyways, this is no big deal. It's right here in the little task bar. You can see the McAfee, but I don't use McAfee. I don't think it's secure enough. So anyways, I think now it's ready for the first time. So first of all, what we're going to do is going to set up the screen to make it look just a bit nicer. So what you do is you press on the, hold on, I'll put more light so you can see. You press on the right side right here of the mouse when you're dab in the middle of the screen. So it's going to open you this a window. Then you select down onto personalize right here, and you select with this button right here, personalize. what I'm going to do is going to set up the the desktop right here to fit better in the screen. So this is what we're going to use right now. See, this is the background right here. It's got even got the little picture which is matches this little guy right here. This is the background, so I'm going to select I think it's this guy. See right here it says to fill. I'm going to put it to fit. That didn't change anything. I'll be back. I'll find the right option and I'll come back in a oh. Okay, it's right here. Look on the left hand side right here where it says display. You select this option, and then what you have right here, it says like by default I can go medium right here, and if I click apply, it's gonna, you must log off your computer to repeat to apply these changes. I'm going to log off later, but I'm just going to put it at medium. See if I click larger what it does right here. So I like to put it on medium. So I'm going to click sorry, smaller. I already clicked applied for the medium. That's okay. Larger right here. Then I'm going to log off later. So this is done. So I gotta check right here the display settings, which is right here. So see right here, I'm hooked up with an HDMI cable, so I can use the HDMI the resolution, and which is a top resolution recommended. But I'm gonna slide it down just a bit to make it fit nicer at 16 by 50, and I'm going to apply this right here. So now it's restarting the screen. So see right now the icons, they fit a lot nicer like in the screen right now. So I'm going to, I like this settings right now. So sorry I move around a lot because I have a 40-inch screen monitor. So see right now, I didn't see right now, so I didn't select, so that's why it came back. But I want to apply anyway, so it's applied these. So right now, so I want these, I'm going to keep changing the changes. So right now it's at the way I want it. So, and right now I'm going to close this. So next time I log off and I restart my computer, the new settings to the mediums here is going to take effect. I got it right now in medium. It's going to go back to large, but I don't want the large, so I'm just going to press here and then personalize, and then go into the display, and then click medium here, and then apply. That's it. Then I have to restart my computer. But for now, my computer is as if it just right now came out of the box. It's ready to do just about what you want. Just a little hint, I'm not here to make any publicity about these antiviruses, but my first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change, well, I got this for 60 days, so that's okay. So right now I'm ready for surfing the web. So right now I can click right here, start, and right now it's as if it just came out of the box. So there's nothing in it. See right here, my pictures folders, there's nothing. My videos, there's nothing. And also right here, like I prefer another Internet Explorer than this one. So I'm going to connect to the internet. This is the first time it's connecting to the internet, so it should work right now. So see right now it's telling me, it's going to ask me all kinds of questions because it's the first time it's logging on the internet. So enable page rank to see more information about the site. Thank you for visiting Google. Not yet. Anyway, so I'm going to click on Google. Is it connecting? Just hold on. See right here, little bars. See right now. So Google works. So that's it. You're ready to surf again. Your computer is fully fixed. It's out of viruses. and worms and name it. So you completed this process with success. You can give it a thumbs up, and for you and for me. So that's great. I'm happy for you that you did succeed with this update of your computer. And if you like this video, you can click right here to subscribe. And if you have any questions about this process, about the setup of your computer, feel free to ask your questions down below, because I check my YouTube account just about every day. So thanks again for watching, and I hope this video gave you the sorry ça t'a donné l'instinct de faire ça toi-même. So it gave you the courage to reformat your computer yourself. So thank you very much for watching.